In today's video is a 22-inch body wave, 180% density. I really like the density. It's very lightweight. It's not extremely thick. It has the clear lace, kind of wore it as it is. The only thing I've done is re-bleached the knot, and I just use my wand curler to kind of add the curls. Today's video, we are going to be trying out the Lori Lane. This is their hair adhesive. I ordered this glue because I've seen that it has some really great reviews, and I really wanted to just kind of test it out and see if I would like it for myself. I've never used this glue before, so today's video is going to focus mostly on just the install. Today's video will focus mostly on the install, so we're not going to be doing this wig straight out the box. I've already bleached and washed the hair. We're just going to install it. I'm going to give you guys a wear test for a couple of days in this video, and I'm also show you how I installed it. So if you would like to see all of that, let's jump right in. So while I was installing this, I did notice that the first layer of glue dried really fast. And then after applying the second to third layer, I noticed it began to dry slower and slower. So it took about 10 minutes, dry enough where it was clear. However, it still wasn't 100% clear. So, I mean, I don't know, you guys. I guess we're gonna have to find out. I'm letting this sit now for about 20 minutes. When I applied the lace, it definitely did not feel like an intense grab. I'm not sure what the results is gonna be, especially with most of the glue still not dry after 10 minutes. So we'll see. I'll be back in 20 minutes and we will remove the sleigh band and find out. I'm really anxious to see what this hairline looks like. I don't know if I can wait the full 20 minutes. I just kind of want to pull it back and kind of just see what's going on. So we're going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and release this band. As you can see, I have a white residue around my hairline. So I'm not happy to see that. I'm just going to take a bit of alcohol and wipe that area, see if I can get it to not look so white. I'm gonna go ahead and try to style the hairline like I normally do, and then I'll be back to talk to you guys. All right, so while we're waiting, let's talk about this hair. Be sure to link it below in the description box. I know you guys hear me say this all the time, but all the time I still get questions about where's the link. So it will be below this video in the description box. This wig is really pretty. This is their body wave texture clear lace, and I really love the clear lace wigs because it makes it so easy to get an undetectable look without having to do so much work. I have already pre-styled this wig with wand curls. I didn't show it in today's video. Just because I wanted to get straight to the point about the wig install and, you know, throw some clips in if I can, how this wig install is going to hold up. But overall, I really love this hair so much. It's so pretty. I just really like it a lot. It's something about the body wave texture that I just really like. the white residue seemed to be going away just a little bit. For some reason, I don't have no patience with this glue. Every time I'll be like, I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. I've been letting it sit for only about 10 minutes. But we'll see how it do over time. Like I said, I'm gonna, update you guys after I wear this wig a couple of days and let you know how it goes. In the meantime, I'm going to go down my parting a little bit and fix everything there. I didn't spray this cap with any lace tint. I just bleached the knots and that was it. I'm gonna take this 24-hour edge tamer. I use it for the flyaways on the wig. And I'm just going to go down the parting. I may straighten this up. I think my parting is a little bit off. Yes, it is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end this part of the video. This is what the install looks like. So far, it looks really good besides the little bit of problems that I encountered. So I'm going to insert clips of how it goes throughout the next couple of days after I work out and all that stuff. So if you wanna see all that, then just keep on watching. So I just got up and what can I do to get the money? We ain't got the money, we ain't get the heading downstream till the levee gives in, and my dreams are wearing thin. All I need is relief, I need some sympathy. Look at me, I just can't believe what they've done to me. We could never get free. All right, so I'm about to do my workout really fast. So before I do my workout, I always put on my sleigh band. You guys know this already. So this is what the hairline looks like so far. I do feel like this side is lifting. It's been lifting since last night. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this around my hairline like so. And I always put it over the ears, of course, not too tight. But yeah, we're about to go get this workout in and I will update you guys on how everything looks after. Okay, so I just finished my workout. It wasn't very intense, but it was intense enough. So I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow what my hairline looked like. Cause working out can definitely keep it. In fact, let's take a look at it now. Take the spray gun off. Now, normally I would dry my hairline with the dryer. Go like this. Before I remove my sleigh band. So keep that in mind before you just snatch it off after you work out. But let's take a look. Still pretty secure. The sides I feel like are the weakest, but it's pretty decent. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's been about 3 days already since I glued down this wig, and this is what the hairline is like right now. It's still stuck, but it does have areas that are looking very not too good. However, I do feel like I sweated a good bit and it's still holding. So I give this glue probably the same rating I would give any other glue I've tried. The one thing I do really like that it did not do is turn white when I sweat. So that alone is really good. So I'm about to remove this wig, and I just basically wanted to update you guys about what's going on. Let me zoom into the hairline. See, you can see I have some lifting on the sides, but as far as this top area, it's still good. It's still solid. Headshot. Sit down.
didn't do it.